Yo, what's up, gang, 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 gang. It's your boy Joe Blow, and I'm back. 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 For real, I'm back. We about to make something to eat though. Bizarre breakfast sandwich, okay? Some that I like, some I just, I be up in the clouds and I be like, dang, that sound good. I wonder what that would be like to go together. So that's what we doing today. We doing a bizarre breakfast sandwich. So good. So this is what we gonna be doing. We got
Jacksonville turkey, you know.
and I didn't mean to get reduced fat. I just realized that it's reduced fat, but hey, we're eating healthy, okay? Y'all get it.
You know,
But without further ado, let's get to it. So there you have it. We got the colossal peanut butter and jelly, high protein, good for everything breakfast sandwich. We about to make it do what it do, baby. And I'm gonna keep these eats and good stuff coming back at you. Y'all stay tuned, stay up to date, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, write me some comments, talk to me, all that. I'm back, full effect. I'm in action, baby.